Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang storage or phone storage ng ating iOS phone. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang settings ng ating iOS phone. So tap na natin yung settings ng ating phone. Then after nyan, dito sa settings guys, i-scroll up lang natin and hanapin nyo dito guys yung general. Then itap natin yung general. Then dito sa general naman guys, hanapin nyo na dito yung iPhone storage. So dito nyo siya makikita sa pangatlong section. So tap natin yung iPhone storage. And ayan guys, automatic dito sa iPhone storage, makikita nyo dito yung storage ng inyong iOS phone. So naka-detailed naman dito guys kung ano yung mga ibig sabihin ng mga colors dito sa used. So apps yung kulay red, so iOS naman yung sa orange, photos naman yung yellow, mail is yung green, system data is yung other colors. So dito nyo din makikita sa baba guys kung ilan na ba yung usage ng bawat apps ninyo sa inyong iOS. So nakalagay na siya dito, and nasa unahan dito yung pinakang top na mostly nakukonsume ng inyong storage. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba makita ang storage or phone storage ng inyong iOS. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!